Hello, hello. Welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi, guys. We are on day 19 of the challenge. Can you believe that? Day 19. Well, I am Kimmi. I'm on a healthy weight loss journey. I am trying to just get my numbers better, lose some weight, move better, have a better quality of life. And so far, it's going great. I'm doing Weight Watchers for those of you who may be new. We are on a challenge, a 30-day challenge. We meet up every Sunday to discuss the results. So hopefully you can join us. Again, you can visit healthylifewithkimmi.com for all the details, okay? And sign up for free email so you don't miss when I go live midweek and anything that's going on with the channel, okay? healthylifewithkimmi.com. Well, today's tip number 19 is shop the perimeter of the store. Shop the perimeter. You probably heard that before. Shop the perimeter. What do I mean by that? When you walk into a Publix, when you walk into Walmart, Kroger, whatever store you go to, the outer side of the store, the outer perimeter is where the healthy stuff is. You have your fruits, you have your vegetables, right? They have that whole section. You have your salad, right? Your eggs, your protein, your yogurt, milk, all of those things are on the perimeter. The perimeter. The moment you start entering those aisles, be careful, because that's where you got your chips, you got your cakes, you have your pop, you have all the stuff that you don't need, except nuts. So nuts would be inside one of those aisles. But just be cautious when you are grocery shopping, though. It's very important to pick and choose in the beginning of the process what you're going to take home, because if you buy it at the store, you're going to eat it. So some people may have a little extra willpower where they say, okay, I can go ahead and take home this dozen of donuts and I won't eat all of them. But for the majority of us, if we're honest, I'm one of those included, I won't rest until every donut is out the box. I won't. It's just the way it is. If I buy anything bad or anything that I shouldn't really have a lot of, I don't even bring it home. I just have it out as a treat. And as we learned in one of our sessions with our challenge, we're not going to call it a cheat day. We're going to call it a treat day. So if you do decide, you know what, I'm going to have me a chocolate cake today, that may be out in the outer perimeter too at some of the stores, the bakery. So be careful when I say the outer perimeter, because you do have that bakery section. And that bakery section will get you in trouble because you got your cakes, you got your pies, you got your bread, so all of that. But just be cautious when we're shopping. And start at home. Make a list. I often find that if you make a grocery list ahead of time, I know for a fact it helps me. I try not to even go to the store without a list, because if I do, nothing new. We're going to buy whatever and we're going to consume it. When I go to the store, I already know I need eggs, bananas, grapes. I already know what I need. I try to think about what I'm going to eat. This goes back to the tip I gave you maybe 2 or 3 days ago about planning and preparation. Plan where you're going to walk in the store strategically. You may not need to go down the potato chip aisle. You know what I'm saying? If you already have your list, you could maybe even skip that aisle altogether. But if you walk down that aisle, something's going to catch your eye. And that's how it's designed. The manufacturers know that. They make the colors of the potato chips red, yellow, colors that evoke an emotion out of you. It's a science to everything. McDonald's Archers are not just red and yellow just for the sake of it. Yellow makes you feel happy. The red may evoke hunger, okay, or a sense of urgency. So everything is by design. So just like they're designing for us to spend our money, or they're designing for us to eat certain foods, we need to design how we're going to protect our body, what we're going to put in our mouth, right? So again, just kind of think about when you go grocery shopping, where are you in the store? Always be aware. They put the certain things at eye level for the kids, the cereal, so they can see that. They do the same thing for adults. Certain things are located in the store. Matter of fact, they make you walk all the way through the store sometimes to get to the healthy stuff. There's a Publix by my house, and they're all usually designed. No, I'll take that back. Well, most of them are designed the same way, but Publix will make you walk all the way through the store, past all the bad stuff to get to the healthy stuff. It is what it is. So they are strategic in what they're doing to get our money, is to put food and stuff in our mouth, to make us buy certain things. We have to be equally strategic in what we're going to do on our end, okay? So I'm going to leave you with that tip again. All things healthy, Healthy Life with Kimmi. That's my other channel. Healthy Life with Kimmi is a channel. HealthyLifeWithKimmi.com. Check it out. So I'm not editing this video. It is what it is, because we got other stuff to do. But anyway, guys, I'm wishing you much success on your journey. Shop the perimeter. Go to the store prepared. You're going to combat. Going to war. Going to war with the grocery stores. All right. Until next time, guys, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. Bye.